Ready? You are ready.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Francesca. How are you?
Good afternoon, Carlos. How are you?
Fine. I am going to talk about drones, as you know. No?
Okay.
Well, the word drone, as you have read, no, means male build. Also, it could be referred to the noise that made an engine, a truck, or a lorry, no. But if you ask for some people, they could associate this word to a weapon, like a missile. No? This technology started in defense and military activities. No? As a result of this technology, they create this kind of weapons that are named drones, and this is why people associate them with a weapon. No? But this technology finally has been transferred to the industry, to the civil industry. Another paradigmatic example of that is the GPS. No? And then the industry has developed many applications called drones, is based on the idea of something like a little aircraft or helicopter that is remotely controlled. That means it's unmanned aircraft system. That means there are no pilot. No? It's controlled by computer, by satellite from a safe place. No? And they are equipped with different tools, some mainly cameras that can provide images in real time that the specialists can analyze in order to make some recommendations or to solve some problems that had been studied. These areas of applications could be the agriculture, like analyzing crops and taking special photographies with infrared waves, no, that there are they become maps that could be studied by specialists in order to know the humidity or the rate of growing of the crops, no, to watering them more or to increase or putting some chemical to increase their quality and optimize the cost. No? Also by the industry to do inspections in altitude, like such as high voltage towers or telecommunications towers or different industry facilities. And in civil works and mining, doing cartography, making using photogrammetry to that allows the surveyors to prepare 3D models in order to be used in projects of field works on studies or projects in mining No? Also in humanitarian activities in science, but nowadays finally there are some ones that with a little cost, 400 euros more or less, no, that equipped with cameras have a weight of 400 grams and are able to fly to 2 kilometers the distance and in 10 minutes fly. No, then it's like a little toy. No? Then this is all
Okay.
I know about the drones, and if you have any question, can ask me.
Okay, yeah. Okay. You said that GPS is the same technology of drones.
No, GPS.
I had never thought that GPS is the same technology.
No, GPS is a technology, a previous technology. No, it's the acronym
Okay.
of Global Positioning System. It was a military technology that nowadays is transferred to the civil activities. Now is in your mobile phone, in your car, in some places, no? And use GPS in order to control the position of the object. No? And it started as a technology only in the military technology.
In military industry, yeah.
But also,
Yeah.
for example, the drones use GPS in order to be controlled.
Okay, yeah. Okay, then now this military industry it's a popular gift for children.
No,
It's on fashion.
no, I don't think it's on fashion
Why?
now. I think if you ask for CS is is on fashion. I don't know it's on fashion, but the cost is getting lower, no? Because
Yeah,
they use everywhere in the industry that they can make little ones. That the one I exposed, no, is only 400 grams. The size is half a meter for half a meter, no,
yeah,
and it could fly until 2 kilometers distance. It could be controlled by Wi-Fi, and then it could fly for 10 minutes more or less, no? Then equipped with a camera, you can take photograph, you can write, you can
yeah,
use it. At before it was there was used a little aircraft telecontrol, no? Or
yeah, yeah. It's like
radio control.
an
Yes,
helicopter. It's like an helicopter
yes.
for remote control. But do you think it's more dangerous
Oh, I don't. I
than a
don't.
toy?
No, it's made of all of plastic and it's not dangerous because there's not the speed is very low and it weighs only 400 grams, for example.
Ah,
You
okay.
can use
Yeah,
it with well, is safe enough to be used by a boy that use is this is safer in their hands than in my hands because are more skillful using this kind of
yeah,
control, using a tablet to control it or a joystick. No, I am not skillful enough to control that.
yeah, yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Is only yes another kind of use of this technology. No?
Yeah, only is dangerous if it falls over the people or
No,
no,
I
but
don't.
it's very light.
I think it's very light, and when you are in your in your proximity, it flies. It could fly 2 or 3 meters over the surface of the land. No, it's not a high altitude. That means that it could be
Yeah,
dangerous.
yeah, yeah, it's true.
Okay,
Okay,
I have finished.
that okay, that I'm going to talk about 3D printers.
Right.
Okay. Recently, we heard a lot about 3D printers, and many of us don't know how it works really and why we need it. Uh, I don't know why we need it. Nowadays, it seems that we must have a 3D printer in our house if we want to be ahead of our time. Mm, but yeah, maybe it's not necessary. 3D printing it's an additive manufacturing, the process by which we do a digital model, and after we can produce a three-dimensional product with the printer, because the printer create a figure layer by layer. Okay. Only 30 years ago, while CDs and camcorders were introduced to the general public, Shuk Hull, a pioneering innovator, suggested a new way to use UV technology. 3D printers is it's something like UV technology, and he founded 3D systems by converting liquid materials like plastics into solid cross sections with a laser. It's a laser technology. Okay. Um, but 3D printers are limited regarding materials and size because it seems only can produce a small size products. Although ultimately, um, I saw large items such cement houses could be created using 3D printers. I saw a video on YouTube. I think it's in China, and with huge economic cost. Okay, I think the most important way to draw on this new technology is in the medical industry, which is starting to print human skin or replicate the complex organ of our bodies. It could revolutionize medicine, but I think it's still under investigation.
Right.
Okay, it's all.
Is all?
Do you have any question about it?
Well, the first thing is which is the size of this kind of printer 3D? Which is the size? Because you
The most common 3D printers I think it's 1 meter for 1 meter for 1 meter, more or less. It's
right,
not very big,
right, right.
but the 3D printers that can build houses are very very big.
Well, I disagree. You send me a YouTube or a record about this. I disagree. It's not. I think, in my view, it's not a 3D printer. That this is a CAD CAM manufacturing. No, CAM
Yeah,
is the CAM is a computer aid manufacturing that using previously CAD is computer
yeah,
aid design, and connected with computers you can control an engine to make this wall made of concrete or this beam made of concrete. But I don't think so. This is well, it's confusing the definition then. But finally, the one I saw was a 3D printer this height, 1 cubic meter more or less, in the
yeah, more or less.
in the
Yeah.
Sagrada Familia de Barcelona. No? Yes, but finally you said that is in the skin. How do they manage to made skin using this kind of 3D printers? You said they use UV since ultraviolet kind of laser thing, no? But
Yeah, I don't think exactly how it works.
yes,
I have seen in in newspaper. I think it works with a kind of biological plastic. It's not organic material. More or less, I don't know how it works exactly.
okay. Well, then we will see. We will see. It's on nearly. You said on fashion on fire. No, is now. Then we will see. So I think it's well. I saw that in the Sagrada Family was a nice technology, no? Because
Yeah, it's very interesting technology, but I don't know. But I think it's not necessary all people to have 3D printers in their house.
yeah,
It's
really the use that I saw. They use it to yes to represent the models of complex structures like
yeah,
hyperboloids and
yeah.
paraboloids and things like.
It's complicated.
Right, we have finished. Okay,
Okay.
then I stop the record in order to control it. If it works, we will send it to the professor, our teacher, Peter. No, if not, we must repeat it. Okay. Then
Okay. See
I stop.
you.
See you. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.